Hey
It's
y'all.
time to pick garlic. I planted garlic October 25th. It was the day before my daughter's birthday. So October 25th. So it's just been about 8 months. And so it is time to harvest. So I have 4 different kinds. I have Carpathian, Music, Chesnick, and Chilean, I believe. So I'm going to pick all these. There's some in that one, some in this one, and some in that one. So we're going to pull them, and whatever ripened onions I got, they go in the seed, but I'm probably just going to pull them. But let me show you how disrespectful the birds are. Y'all see the apricots? You see? They'll just take a bite and just drop the fruit. Like, I have some things coming to cover up. I should get the nets. That's what I should do, get the nets to cover up some of these fruit, because they're even going in the middle of the tree and taking bites out, and just the rest is just, they can have the top fruit. That way we ain't got to climb a ladder to get it. But they're coming inside in the middle here. So yeah, so I got Buttercup going to get her gloves on so she could pick this fruit, because they drop the fruit and then the fruit brings ants. So she's gonna go and pick these, and we're gonna give them to the sheep. The sheep love it. They be going crazy over it. So she's going to be doing that. In the meantime, in between time, I am going to pick this garlic, because it's time. It's time. Then I got to figure out when I'll plant in these planter beds after that. I don't know. I might do some, I was thinking either black eyed peas or do some more corn. I don't know. You can start picking. Did you get your gloves? I don't know. So I'll figure it out. But yeah, time to pick some garlic. I kind of picked a few of them. They were small bulbs. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the rest and see. Because y'all know, last year I didn't do good at all. So we're going to see how it goes this year. I'll keep y'all posted. Hey y'all, so I'm done. That was quick. So I got some nice sized bulbs. So I know which ones I'm not going to be planting. The straight neck ones did pretty good. Music was the best. Music was the best. I want to say this is Music. So I got them separated in batches. And it looks like this is Music right here. This is a straight neck, a hard neck, straight neck. It came out with some nice size bulbs. So all this came out of here, the 4 varieties, which was Music, Chesnick, and Chilean, and Carpathian. I'm probably not saying them right, but I think the first one in Chilean, which is the one down at the bottom layer, these are small. These are small. It looks like straight neck did better for me, because we did have a cold winter. But look at these. Look at these bulbs. Look at that one in my hand. That's a big bulb right there. So I believe this was Music. Garlic is done. So now I got a nice little batch. There's a couple of little tiny ones that didn't really do too well. Like there. Like this small one. Didn't do too well. Come up, a lot of them broke right at the base. So, but it's a lot of garlic. Looks like I'm gonna be making a lot of garlic powder, minced garlic. Look, and so what I was thinking, I'm already sweating, because I was trying to find out what can I dry them on. I was like, what am I dry these on? And I seen this here, this right here, planter. I'm like, I could just lay them on that. Put this in the garage and lay them across these. So that's what I'm gonna do. I saw a drying rack on Amazon, but who wants to pay like $200 that you're only gonna use probably what, once a year? So make do with what I got, right? Hey y'all, so I wanted to show y'all what I did with the garlic. Remember that little tray I was showing y'all? So this is what I did with the garlic. So you gotta improvise. Excuse the fertilizer. But I hung all the big ones like this to dry. It was a couple of red onions. Really nothing to really, but the garlic. So this is how I dried it. So I didn't have to order me a drying rack because I sure was about to order me a garlic and onion drying rack. But when I saw this, I was like, So I have some laying on that shelf, that shelf, that shelf. Not really this shelf, a few of them that fell through the cracks. I thought that worked out. That saved me about $300 to buy an actual drying rack. You gotta improvise, you know? So that's what I did. As y'all know from previous videos of my garlic, it never did well. But this year, it did pretty good, pretty good. Not the best, but better than the year before. I've already started putting some in there because I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the stalks and clean them up a little bit and put them up for storage. I'm gonna freeze dry some to make garlic powder. I'm gonna pickle some for pickled garlic, and then I'm just gonna have some for daily use. I'll probably do some like minced and put in the cabinet. So yeah. Looked like it just filled up one basket. Take care. Remember, pray in your garden because we plant, but he grows. Take care.